In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to require an administrator to turn Wi-Fi on or off on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Apple icon up in the top menu bar. So select that, and then go down and select System Settings. Select the Wi-Fi button on the left panel here, and on the right side, select the Advanced button. Where it says require administrator authorization to, you want to toggle turn Wi-Fi on or off, and then you want to select the done button to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.